Listen carefully, my child. You lost everything. But now God will restore you, my child. You feel empty. You feel tired. You feel like life has taken everything from you. The dreams you prayed for gone. The people you trusted gone. The strength you once had gone. And now you ask in silence, God, where are you? Listen carefully, my child. I was never absent. I was never silent. I was never far. I was with you when you cried at night. I was with you when no one checked on you. I was with you when you felt forgotten. Just because everything fell apart does not mean I left you. You lost things, but you never lost me. You think you reached the end, but this is not your ending. This is the place where I begin my work. I allowed the loss not to destroy you, but to detach you from what was breaking you slowly. Some things you begged me to save were the very things draining your soul. Some doors had to close because you were staying too long in rooms I never called you to live in. I saw every tear. I heard every prayer you whispered, not out loud, but from your heart. And now hear me clearly. I am about to restore you. Not just what you lost, but what you never thought you could have. I will restore your peace. I will restore your confidence. I will restore your purpose. I will give you strength you didn't have before. Wisdom you didn't ask for. Faith that doesn't shake anymore. You thought losing everything meant punishment, but it was preparation. You thought being broken meant rejection, but it was alignment. I had to empty your hands so I could place something better in them. You are not late. You are not forgotten. You are not behind. You are exactly where I need you to be. This season feels painful because I am removing what no longer belongs in your future. Hold on, my child. What is coming will not look like what you lost. It will be greater, stronger, more peaceful. You will smile again, not because life is easy, but because your faith is unbreakable. You will stand again, not in your strength, but in mine. So wipe your tears, lift your head, take one step forward. I am restoring you, and this time, nothing will be able to take it away. And yes, my precious children, when you reach out to help the poor and the helpless, you touch my soul and become one with my spirit. Please scan this and donate at least $5 so I can extend your kindness to those who are suffering and in need. My beloved children, never forget God is always with you, my child.